Hello students, welcome back to the series of lectures of Intermediate 1B. Now, we were dealing this Intermediate 1B since so many video lessons. In that, I am telling you the chapter of differentiation, right? So, this differentiation chapter, there are so many video lessons in the playlist. Go to the playlist of this channel. You will find out so many video lessons. Now, in the continuation part of this differentiation, in that I was dealing the exercise 9A. In that exercise 9A, in my previous video, I have dealt the second sum. In that second bit, I am going to do. The first bit I have done in my previous video. Check it in the iCard. Okay. Now, let's start the second bit, second sum here. Find the derivative of the following functions. Here given x to the power of n, n to the power of x and log nx. Clearly, we can see there are three functions. So, we will, all these three functions, let us take it as u, v and w. Okay, let me suppose this u as x to the power of n, v as n to the power of x and w as log. Now we need to find the derivative of these three. Okay, so we have to apply the product rule. We know the product rule of u, v. So whatever the product will be u, v and w or any n number of products, you can apply the same formula. That means you have to do the differentiation of one, the remaining as it is, then in the second part plus differentiation of the second one, the remaining two as it is, then the third part you have to do the differentiation of the third function. Likewise, if there are n number of functions, you can do in the fourth one, do the differentiation of the fourth function and 1, 2, 3 as it is. Likewise, you can apply the product rule for n products. Okay, so let me do the product rule here. Let us suppose this complete thing as y. Okay, so let this be y. So dy by dx is nothing but d by dx of differentiation of the three functions, that is x, n, nx and log of nx, the product rule. Okay, so here first we will do the differentiation of this. Let me write that. Okay, x to the power of n dash and remaining two functions as it is, then plus these two as it is, and the second function we need to differentiate. First I'll write this differentiation of the second v function, log of nx, plus the third one. So first and second as it is, and the third function we need to, that is w, we need to differentiate. So I'm keeping it as dash. Okay, there are n number of functions, n number like that. Likewise, only to differentiate one, keeping the other two as it is. Now let us differentiate this x to the power of n. We know the differentiation of x to the power of n is nx n minus 1. And here nx into log of nx plus x to the power of n, differentiation of nx is in the form of a to the power of x, like a to the power of x here we know, because given here n value belongs to n, the natural numbers, and x is greater than 0. So n belongs to n means it is in the form of some a to the power of a. We know the differentiation of a to the power of x. Okay, here that is nothing but ax log a. Okay, this is the general rule of differentiation. So that means nx log n. Okay, differentiation of this. Okay, into, again we have, here we are doing the differentiation of this. Again we have log of nx plus the third part is x to the power of n into n to the power of x into log, differentiation of log of nx. That is nothing but 1 n into log of nx, and nn goes off. Again you get just 1 to the power 1 by x. Okay, so let us take some common things here. If I take here nx plus 1, okay, so this becomes, so let us take anything common here. Here nx common, here nx common, here again here also nx common, x to the power of n minus 1, x to the power of n minus 1. So nx x to the power of n minus 1 if you take common here. So nx x to the power of n, here n is left over, n log nx plus here also nx x to the power of n minus 1, nx, yes, x to the power of n minus 1. So 1x is not there here, okay, 1 by x is not there here. So that means we will write that, okay. So what is remained here? Log n nx, here x to the power of minus 1, or can write it here. If you multiply it, you get x to the power of n only here, okay. Plus here all these two we got it, nx x to the power of n minus 1, x to the power of n minus 1 nx. So remaining is only just 1. So this is the simplification version of this derivative. Pause it and note it down. The third problem, a x to the power of 2n log x plus b x to the power of n e to the power of minus x. We need to differentiate this function. There is a plus sign here and there are two functions here and also a constant here a and b. So let us differentiate here. Let me suppose this as y, okay. So dy by dx equals to, so let me take the constant out and differentiate this function uv product, and again I'll take the constant out and differentiate this function with uv, okay, u into v. Now here in this u is this part and v is this function. So differentiation of u dash, that is 2n, directly I am writing s to the power of 2n minus 1, okay. So differentiation of this 2n x to the power of 2n. Again here when you are differentiating this x to the power of n, 2n x to the power of 2n minus 1, again we have to differentiate 2n, okay. If you are differentiating 2n, you get here. So we have differentiation, we have differentiated this u and we will write v as it is, log of x, plus again we will differentiate u, we will write as it is this one, x to the power of 2n, differentiation of log of x is 1 by x. So we did uv for the first one. Again let us take the constant and again apply u and v product rule here. X to the power of n is nx, n minus 1, e to the power of minus x, plus we will write this x to the power of n as it is and we will differentiate this. This becomes minus e to the power of minus x, okay. Differentiation of e to the power of x is e to the power of x only, but we have minus x, so minus I have taken it out here. Now we will write this a 2a n x to the power of 2n minus 1 into log x plus again a, I have written here a x to the power of 2n minus 1 plus b n x to the power of n minus 1 e to the power of minus x. Again here minus, because minus sign is here, minus b x n to the power of n e to the power of minus x. So this is the product. Is there anything common here? No, because we have here b and we have here a. We can also write it with a and b also. Just keep it as it is, okay. So there is no cancellations also. This is the final differentiation of this one. Please pause the video and note it down. See here the fourth one, 1 by x minus x cube multiplied by e to the power of x. So again two functions u and v. Let me suppose this as y. So differentiation of dy by dx is equal to u and v, okay. So let me write here u as it is into d by dx of, okay, let me write d by dx of e to the power of x plus again v function as it is d by dx of u function, that is 1 by x minus x whole cube. So this 1 by x minus x whole cube, differentiation of e to the power of x is e to the power of x only, and e to the power of x, differentiation of this, so this is x to the power of n function like that, n x minus x 3 minus 1, that is 2 only. And again in the chain method, chain rule, we have to differentiate this also. This is x part, but it is not in the x form, it is 1 by x minus x. Again differentiation of this. So that becomes d by dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. And d by dx of minus 1. Okay, I am differentiating this part also again. Now we will expand it here. Let me take common here. This is square, this is 3. So like e to the power of x and 1 by x minus x whole square, we can take common here. So the remaining is just another 1 by x minus x is remained here, one more here square, and e to the power of x taken out here. These two are remaining one. So that means plus 3 into here minus 1 by x square minus 1. So this part is remained here. We can further simplify. So 1 by x minus x whole square. Here if you go 1 by x minus 3 by x square minus 3. Okay, can take LCM also here, x square if you take LCM. So this becomes, so x minus 1 here, so that becomes x cube minus 3x square. Okay, so you can simplify at any stage here. Till here we can simplify, bring it to the lowest form and keep the differentiation here. So we will write it in the form of cubic. Okay, so minus x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 3 in the order I've written by x square. So this is the simplified form. Okay, till this we have completed the second section, second bit, in that the fourth one. Till this we have completed the complete section of this. So we will see, pause the video and note it down. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Okay, I'll clear your doubts, and we will see the remaining problems in our next class. Students, you can watch all the maths classes of Intermediate 1A and 1B in the channel playlist. Go to the channel playlist, you will find all the videos of the trigonometric ratios up to transformations. There are 40 video lessons. Okay, just click on that particular video lesson which you want to observe in the channel playlist. Okay, in the channel playlist you will find all the videos. Likewise, and also for the intermediate 1B, for intermediate first year 1B, you have in the differentiation chapter you will find all the videos. Click on that particular video which you want to observe. So hope you have got this idea. Please do practice well and see my future videos of 1A and 1B chapter. Okay, 1A and 1B intermediate lessons, and get benefited. Okay, thank you all.